Hey guys, Texas Ted here. I know it's been a minute since I made a video. It's my season where I'm extremely busy with work and with the family. But I have been keeping a close eye on what's taking place, as I hope all of you are as well. Getting prepared. Well, people, what we've talked about is coming true, and it's here almost on our doorstep. Like I've said many times, I don't live in fear, and I'm not going to take that jab, nor will I let anyone force it upon me or my family without a real fight. We're all going to have to make that decision, I'm afraid. Not fearful, just a figure of speech. It's coming, and it's here. Only advice I can give you is do what your soul tells you. Do what the Lord tells you. Give it to Him. I know one thing: the Lord does not like cowards. He does not like meek Christians. We're warriors for God and warriors for our family. He commands that of us. This is a game of survival, and I will do whatever it takes, except denying my Father's commands. Everybody right now needs to be spreading as much truth as you possibly can. This ain't the time to shut up. This is time to yell your very loudest. Blow your shofar, sound the siren, send a smoke signal, make a video, whatever it takes. They're squeezing us. They're hitting us from many fronts. The supply chains have never caught up yet, and they're fixing to be completely shut down, in my opinion. The whole world's going back down into a lockdown. One more thing. You can't trust any of these politicians. None of them. And I mean absolutely none of them. So don't think for a minute that they're on your side. Most of them are in your face on the Democrat aisle. You know where they stand, but it's these wolves in sheep's clothing on the other aisle. Yeah, I got a wolf in a wheelchair as my governor, but God's always given me the ability to smell a rat 5 miles away. And believe me, they're all rats. I'll leave you with this. Go check out Guns Coast to Coast. He did a great video he just published tonight. Can't remember the title of it, but just go to his channel. I call him the intellectual savage. Very smart guy, very level-headed. He's a chess player, and he definitely sees what's going on. And he has a great way of explaining it. It's a lot smarter than I, but I definitely highly recommend going and checking his videos out. Remember, we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. And one of my favorite verses in the Bible, short but sweet, Amos 5:15. Hate the wicked, but love the good, and establish judgment at the gate. Y'all take care.